Hi guys, Tumbler Tuesday. So let me show you what we're doing. So we're going to do this here. So I've sanded and I've cleaned the tumbler and I've spray painted the bottom kind of an off-white tan color and the top a blue. And then we're going to do the wrap around it like this. And then we're going to do a top. Hello my marvelous muses, we're back for the next part here of Tumbler Tuesday. So you saw where I showed the tumbler that I'd spray painted it. And now it's ready. This is the design that we're putting on it. And then I'm going to make a topper with sand and seashells and water and stuff on the topper. So tomorrow night's going to be making the topper. So what I want to do, I'm going to try something here. Because I've been doing okay, so alright, so we're good right there. Now I want to see if I can try to draw a straight line. Notice I said try. I said try, guys. That's all I can say. Is try. So we're going to take the top of this and we're going to line it up with the tumbler here. Alright. So, let me double check it here. Alright, so that is perfectly lined up here at the top. And it looks lined up at the bottom, so we're going to roll with that and see how we do. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to do a dry fit. Which means right there, like so. Right there. Nope. There we go. Oh, the top's not matching now, but the bottom is. So I think we're going to line the bottom up more than the top, because I'm going to put some washi tape around it anyway. Yeah, we're going to line that up. So, alright, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to peel back just a little bit of this. Alright. We're going to take this little piece right here. Cut it off. And again, do our mock up here. Just like so. Okay, so that's going to go down. Just like that. Now we're going to turn it around. And then we're going to slowly, I don't know if you guys can see this, there you go. Just slowly start pushing this around, and the paper will come off automatically as you go around. And we're going on around. Oh, we got an air bubble here. So we're going to come back a little bit. Back a little bit more. Until we get back here past it. There we go. All right. Oh, got one here too. All right. Now. Oh, I can go far enough back here to get this one. There we go. Oh, nice. That turned out good. Very nice. Super, super nice. I love it. Alright, so I think I'll put you guys on pause right quick. I'm going to grab the tape for here, and we will do the top edge. I'm going to leave the bottom edge like this, I think, because it kind of actually looks a lot like the sand. So I think we're just going to leave it that way, and it lined up perfectly at the bottom here. It's just the top did not line up perfect, but the bottom did. So I'm going to use some blue washi tape here at the top. I'm going to try to get a darker blue to kind of blend in. Actually, let me just grab it while we're sitting here, and we'll find a color to match. This kit I got off of Amazon. I had seen Michelle over at Glitz and Glitter. She had it. So, let's see here. What color do we want to do to match our blue? We want this blue. I think I want a darker blue. Yeah, I think I want this one. I think we're going to go with a really dark blue. And then I'm going to give it another coat of clear sealer, probably two, just to secure the washi tape down, make sure it's all the way down. Nothing peels up. Because this isn't bad washi tape, but it's not, it's washi tape. Washi tape I find is not like crazy sticky. So, Perfect. All right. That's perfect. Look there. All right. So I'm going to put you guys on a pause. I'm going to give this another shot of clear coat, and then I'll bring you back when it's on the turner and we're putting the resin on it. See you then, guys. Bye. All right, we're back. So now we're ready to put some resin on it. I put a little bit of glitter in the resin. Just going to dip my fingers in and do it this way. It's hard to pour and film at the same time. I don't have a camera set up over here. I have all the setup, but I don't have the bracket for the camera itself. I mean, for the phone. Without taking it off my main setup. And it's kind of a pain. So I'm probably going to order one off the Temu. Just a camera bracket. Sure, if I look, I probably have one around here. I feel like this is a classic Florida tumbler. I feel like it's a classic Florida tumbler. Okay, where we at right here? Trying to remember where I felt it, because you can feel it. When you're running your hand along here, you can feel when you hit a spot that doesn't have any resin on it. And it's right in here. It's right here. So right before that. Right here. Oops. I learned a long time ago, don't chase it. It'll be back around in a minute. There we go. Yeah, I learned after the first couple cups, don't chase it. Whatever you're looking for, I'll come right back in a minute. What do we think? And then, like I said, I'm going to do a beach-themed topper for it. Alright, so we're going to give it, this is the first coat here. We're going to let this coat dry. I'm going to give it another one off camera, and then I'll come back and give it the third and final coat with you guys here in just a little bit, and we'll be done. Alright, bye guys. Hey guys, we're back. Alright, so this is the last coat. I've already put 2 on it. This is going to be the final coat here. And then, like I said, tomorrow night's video, we're going to be making a beach theme topper for it. Make a beach theme topper. I think it's going to be gorgeous. Love the sparkles on it. See the sparkles? I love the sparkles on it. Okay, so right here we needed some. It's good there. Right here. Okay, so far so good right here. Need a little bit more right there. So, okay. There we go. Alright, I think we're good. So there we go. It's our beach themed tumbler. And like I said, tomorrow night we'll make a topper for it and we'll see it all put together. I hope everyone has a wonderful night. I hope your resin cures beautifully. If you're making tumblers, I hope they turn out beautiful. Hope your craft projects turn out amazing, and I hope you are happy, healthy, safe, and blessed. And I will see you guys tomorrow night. Bye.